This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Adam Lester. Hurry to see this newly renovated vacation home hosting a 3-car garage, pool with tiki bar, and split floor plan. 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, tile plank floors, and 2 master suites with ensuite bathrooms and walk-in closets. 2 family rooms, large inside dining table or dine on your screened-in patio by the pool. Perfect to entertain guests and end the night by the outdoor fire with a pool sunset. Every bedroom is huge and all kitchen appliances are less than 2 years old. Garden shed, gorgeous pool deck with fire pit, tiki bar, and screened-in patio with plenty of space for outdoor entertainment. Extra long driveway with plenty of parking. Large lot in a very quiet cul-de-sac with no traffic and 2 doors down from a walking trail. No neighbors behind this home. Keyless entry, perfect to continue as an Airbnb or use as a family home. 6.5 miles from Anna Maria Island. Bring all offers. For more information,